INFINIX has had a lot of success in their Zero lineup, from the INFINIX Zero 5G back in Feb 2022, which was followed by the premium INFINIX Zero Ultra in October of that year. And then a refreshed INFINIX Zero 5G 2023 was unveiled the following month. This time around, the INFINIX Zero 30 5G, a successor to last year's Zero 20, will be another big hit. INFINIX is putting a lot of goodies into this phone, including a 12GB plus 9GB RAM and a 50MP vlogging front camera that can shoot 4K at 60 FPS. Yes, you heard that right, 4K at 60 FPS. But is that enough to shake things around? Hey guys, what's up? Jose here from YugaTech, and today I'm gonna be giving you a hands-on review of the latest INFINIX Zero 30 5G coming out later this month. Roll OBB. Our unit of the INFINIX Zero 30 5G is in the golden R colorway, and I must say, it's a very bright and refreshing tone. The back panel changes color, as you can see here, depending on how the light hits it from certain angles. It does remind me of the vibrant colors of the sky at around 3 to 5 p.m. or what photographers like me refer to as golden R. The device is pretty solid. It has an all-metal chassis with a glass-on-glass body at the front and back, both of which use Gorilla Glass 5. It's very thin, just 7.9mm, and weighs just 185 grams. That's pretty close to the proportions of the Vivo V27 at 7.4mm and 180 grams. Lots of attention to detail were put into the phone. The volume rocker on the right side along with the power button feels really nice and solid, and they make a really nice sound when you click them. One of two speaker grills can be found at the bottom along with the USB-C port and the SIM card slot and the primary mic. There's a second noise-canceling mic up top along with the secondary speaker. And if you look closely, there's even a laser-etched label of "Powered by INFINIX" just at the top part. The punch hole camera is found at the top middle of the screen and features a 50MP vlogging camera and boasting of 4K at 60 FPS video recording capabilities. The screen is full HD plus, and it's not only bright, but it also has vibrant colors thanks to the AMOLED display. Did I also mention it also has a 144Hz refresh rate? Pretty neat. At the back, the frosted glass back panel is smooth but not slippery on the hands. It's also smudge resistant and fingerprint resistant as well, which I really appreciate. Beneath the glass protection, there's a textured coating that variably reflects light and emits different colors depending on the angle. It's a pretty subtle but nice touch, similar to what we've seen in the Vivo V25, V27, and even the new V29 series. There's a large camera module at the upper left portion of the back panel with 3 cameras, and along with an LED ring flash. The camera is headlined by a 108MP sensor with f1.75 aperture, phase detection, autofocus, and optical image stabilization. In our limited time with the device, we've taken a few sample shots which we will show here, just to give you an idea of what it's capable of. We'll dive deeper into the triple camera setup of the Zero 30 in our full written review, which is coming out very soon. But so far, we're quite impressed with the initial shots we got. But I'm sure you're wondering, just how good is this front camera? Well, to give you an idea, I'll be recording this next segment using this, including the mic. Okay, so we have this, the 50MP front camera, recording at 4K at 60 FPS. Let us know what you guys think. It's pretty clear, pretty decent. Yeah, you can see everything in the background. My cap, pretty clear, right? And you'd be surprised at just what this camera can do. Also, not a lot of cameras can shoot, well, not a lot of phones rather can shoot 4K at 60 with the front camera, especially a phone of this caliber. Mind you, this isn't a mid-range, or upper mid-range rather, or a flagship model. So I'm surprised Infinix added this feature on their phone. Props to them for doing so. Powering the INFINIX 035G is a MediaTek Dimensity 8020 chipset, which is composed of quad-core, high-performance ARM Cortex-A78 running at 2.6 GHz clock speed and another quad-core power-efficient ARM Cortex-A55 running at 2.0 GHz. ARM Mali G77 GPU with 12 GB of LPDDR4 RAM and another 9 GB optional extended RAM. All things considered, the combination of this hardware provides great performance to the INFINIX 030, especially when it comes to gaming. To keep up with the demands of 4K videos, the internal storage of this phone starts at 256 GB, although we're quite puzzled with the lack of a micro SD card expansion to come along with the dual SIM card slot. We've also done our initial benchmarks and got these as a result. The scores alone tell us this is a pretty capable device and should be a great mid-range gaming smartphone. We also tested a few games for a short while like Asphalt 9 and Mobile Legends with excellent results. We've set the graphics to high quality and still got frame rates north of 60 FPS, which pretty decent considering it's on high. As for connectivity, all you ever need are here. Dual 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, GPS, and NFC. For battery, it comes with a generous 5000 mAh capacity with support for 68-watt supercharge. In our battery test using PC Mark Work 3.0, the device lasted 11 hours and 45 minutes on a single full charge of 50% brightness, 0 volume, and in airplane mode. All in all, the INFINIX 035G is one fine device. The design, hardware, configuration, camera, and battery all checks out. In fact, you'd think this phone is positioned to compete against premium to mid-range devices in the 20 to 25K price range. But believe it or not, you're only asked to fork out below 15K. Now, if that's not bang for your buck, well, I don't know what is. So, what do you guys think of the INFINIX 035G? It's a pretty packed smartphone for under 15,000 pesos, right? Good for gaming and great for vlogging too with that 4K 60 FPS front camera. Let us know what you think of this unit by leaving a comment down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video or found it informative, do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Also, stay tuned for the full review of this, which will be coming out on our website very soon. And like always, for the latest tech news and reviews, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Minose, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All in all, oops, nakat yun.